Now you are ready to set up your desk's hand controller. Make sure the hand controller is connected to the control box and the desk is connected to a power outlet. To begin, press any button on the controller. The display will show a 0, dash, and an L. This indicates the controller is locked. To unlock the controller, press and hold the unlock button until you see the numbers on the display. Now the controller needs to be reset. Press and hold at the same time the up and down arrows until you hear a beep. The controller has now been reset. The minimum desk height position is 22.9 inches or 58 centimeters. The maximum desk height position is 49 inches or 124 centimeters. To set your preferred sitting position, adjust the desk to your desired sitting position by pressing the up and down arrows. To store this position, press and hold at the same time the up arrow and the number 1 button until you see P1 flash on the display. To set your preferred standing position, adjust the desk to your desired standing position by pressing the up and down arrows. To store this position, press and hold at the same time the down arrow and the number 2 button until you see P2 flash on the display. Your sitting and standing positions are now stored on the controller. To use the stored positions, either press and hold the 1 button for sitting or the 2 button for standing. Release the button when the desk has stopped moving. The desk can also be set up to display inches or centimeters. To update this setting, press and hold at the same time the number 1, 2, and lock buttons until you see C-I flashing on the display. To set the controller for centimeters, press the 1 button. To set the controller for inches, press the 2 button. The controller also has 2 USB ports that can be used with any of your USB compatible devices.